So TJ's pride themselves on a story. It started over 40 years ago, so they've been established, it was 1976 in Florence, Alabama. We take inspiration from the retail market and trends, but at the same time, we also have a strong focus on producing timeless classics with extra attention to detail and clothing that's made and designed to last. The products itself, from an appeal aspect, appeals to anybody or any customer who is looking for better quality clothing. Quality clothing that's made to last. It's very much the concept of buy once, not twice. Due to the level of fabrics that we use and the construction processes, all of our products will last longer than the cheap products available. It's all about the level of quality and attention to detail, and that sets us, I believe, a million miles away to a lot of the brands on the market. It's looking at the difference to the style, the fit, the fabrics to touch, the durability that it holds through the wash and wear process. There is no cost compromise at any stage of the journey, whether it's the raw materials, the time that's invested into the production, the development, the design, the careful consideration of delivering that product to the market. Our values are also incorporated into everything we put our TJ stamp on. So we do what we do best, but at the same time, we do it with passion. At TJ's, we recognise the huge responsibility we hold in the fashion retail industry. Our values, again, we owe it to our planet and our next generations to do what how we can help change and promote a more sustainable way of producing clothing. Our corporate social responsibility approach is sustained by TJ's long-standing core values, our determination, the dedication for the idea of making the world a better place. So making a difference, but at the same time balancing maintaining a growing business. We believe the best sustainable initiative by any garment producer really is to make high quality products that are made to last, that can be used again and again and again, and we take that quite seriously. Many of our garments are tailored fit. They have been consciously designed to be comfortable to wear, again, by using the high quality of fabrics and refining the processes to produce these fabrics. Most of our styles come in a men's and ladies fit, and in our best sellers in core colours as well, our sizing goes right up to 5 extra large. So again, we always feel there's something there to fit kind of anybody, but also feel comfortable and having the right fabrics to ensure that they're happy wearing that. Not, like I said, not just in the workplace, but outside of the workplace as well. So to whittle it down to 3, I suppose the first one that we couldn't not mention is our luxury stretch polo. It is our best seller. It is one of our iconic products. It's our signature polo, 95% organic cotton, 5% elastane. So perfect for comfort, nice tailored fit. Mini piqué, so it's a much closer refined knit in comparison to traditional polo fabrics. Makes it superb for embroidery or print. Has an element of elastane in there, so it does give it a unique stretch as well. It really is a polo that you see the benefit, again, from the longevity of wash and wear, retaining colour. It is double dyed, so again, it retains the colour much longer through your wash cycles. Double stitch, so it gives strength to the product. But yeah, really is one of our, like I said, one of our best products. Number 2, I would select our hoodie. This is really the example of the fabric that we use, because it's the same fabric that we use right across our sweat range in all the different variations. But the hoodie itself is popular, 320 gram weight, long fibre cotton, so we get a perfect print surface on the top, great for embroidery as well. It's double stitched, so again giving strength to the product. Double dyed, again it will hold colour much longer through the wash cycles. We put quite a dense banding on the cuff and the banding on the bottom. So this helps with shape. It doesn't get baggy throughout the day when you're wearing it, but also bounces back to shape when you do wash the product. So yeah, definitely number 2 would be the 5430 hoodie. So number 3 would, I've had to throw in an example of one of our jackets. So the Zeppelin puffer jacket. The Zeppelin was actually our first jacket that we introduced to the marketplace. TJs offer a large range of outerwear, from layering products right through to the more technical fall winter jackets. But our Zeppelin, it's a puffer, timeless classic style, so never really go in and out of fashion. It's made from 300T polyester, which is a water repellent shell fabric. Has artificial down padding inside for maximum warmth. So although it's quite a lighter weight puffer to wear, you do get the full warmth benefit from it. All styles are shaped and tailored, so we put extra sleeve length in as well, so just to give it that clean, modern look. It comes in both men's, ladies. We actually do 4 different colours in this product, but again, our core colours going up to 5 extra large. Again, with the trend that we've seen, having a customer who has a certainly intricate decoration, but considering the decoration on a better quality product to represent themselves, and you guys at Clothes2order to be able to provide that, premium service in the decoration, collaborating with TJs in offering a premium product, I think, is the best. Is kind of the best partnership that you can then offer out to your customers.